So what's going on in the industrials market? At the moment, we feel like the market's interpreting most things as positive. And a good example of that is that last time the US debt, crisis was talked about, consumer confidence in the US fell and the market followed it down. This time around, since that issue's been in the media again, the consumer confidence has fallen in the US, but the market's actually risen through that period. And the reason is people are worried about missing out on the rally post the resolution of that issue. So what we've noticed in the Australian equity market is that if you include dividends in investors' returns, the market is actually at all-time highs. So the ASX 300 accumulation index, so including capital growth and dividends, while the capital index is still 20% below its 2007 peak, if you include dividends, we're actually at all-time highs. And within that, the 20 leaders index, accumulation index, including dividends, is actually 20% above its all-time high. So within the market rally has been quite narrow. It's been led by a small amount of, defensive industrial companies, where investors are paying more and more for so-called perceived certainty in earnings. The all industrials ex financials PE is currently around 17 times, led by sectors like telcos, healthcare and consumer staples companies. And they've kind of led a re-rating of the PE up in recent years. We, however, are finding that those companies are relatively expensive. We are finding opportunities away from the top end of the market. We're weighting the portfolios more to cyclical type companies where we feel like revenue growth can continue. And in what is a relatively expensive industrials market, we're finding opportunities away from the top end of the market. Some companies outside of the index, but really at the end of the day, our analyst team, is a big one. We visit lots of companies. We have lots of industry contacts, and those guys are out on the road, all the time, which is a critical part of our process to, find these opportunities and make sure that we stay with them, so that our investors, our clients, can benefit through the potential, that those investments have.